Hello, everybody. My name is Debashish Roy. I'm the Senior Network Analyst at the Indian Cybersecurity Solution, and I welcome you all to this special webinar on AWS Cost Optimization, techniques to reduce cost and maximize efficiency in the cloud computing. So we'll discuss the cost management here in the AWS. So we know that there are different services in AWS, and say, for example, we'll begin with the EC2 instance to reduce the cost. So let's start. So we'll explore the AWS EC2 purchasing options. So there are different type of instances, as we know, for purchasing options or costs, that is on demand, reserve instance, and spot instance. And also there are dedicated servers also there and dedicated instances. So on demand instance provide flexibility and they are available anytime, and long-term commitments are not there because the on-demand instance is used on demand, that when you need that you use that, but not for a long period of time, and they're ideal for applications with unpredictable workloads or short-term needs. Now the reserve instance, they offer significant cost saving for applications with steady state usage. Means that you are reserving an instance, say for example, minimum 1 year and maximum tenure of 3 year commitment. So you are using an instance for a longer duration of time, and definitely it is costly. Convertible reserve instance provide flexibility to change instance types and operating systems also. So there are different OSs there, like the Windows Server, like the Linux, like the Mac. There are different instances available, and according to your need, you can use that. And for long-term workloads, also you can go for the reserved instance. You can reserve the instance. You can actually fix the instance for a very long period of time. Scheduled reserve instances allow you to reserve capacity on a recurring schedule that I was talking about, and providing capacity assurance for predictable workloads. Now there is one instance like spot instance. So what is a spot instance? Spot instance offer like significant cost saving for applications. Like say for example, you have terminated your EC2 instance. Now, if I'm the AWS owner, I will definitely not like to see that instance idle for even a single second. So what I'll do, I will just sell the instance for a lower cost. So that is a spot instance. They're ideal for fault tolerant and flexible applications. And AWS dedicated host is very costly. It allows you to run instances on physical servers dedicated for your use. So the entire physical server is reserved for your instance. So just imagine how costly it can be. It's very costly. It is even costlier than the dedicated instance. They are suitable for compliance requirements and licensing cost optimization. So we can conclude that various purchasing options are there for AWS EC2 instances, and it is crucial for optimizing cost and performance. Definitely, you will not like to pay more in cloud computing. So you want to get more, but you want to pay less. So that is the thing. So in every service, say EC2, S3, so everywhere you will do this cost saving. And by leveraging the right instance type for your workloads, one can achieve the significant cost savings and operational efficiency. So if you go to the AWS console, say this is my AWS console here, and if you go to EC2, so say for example, I'm launching an instance, or I'm going to launch an instance, you can say. So here you can see the cost also. I can show you like this different options like Windows Server, let's say for example, and you can see that there are different type of hardware that is available there. Say for example, I am taking the 2022 base server, and here you can see the cost. This is t2.micro instance. You can see the cost dollar wise, like this t2.micro, that is on demand. Windows pricing is 0.0198 US dollar per hour. SUSE Linux, Rarichiel. So there are different type of Linux, Amazon Linux. So you can see the pricing option there. And also, if you go to compare instance types, you can see a detailed instance, then architecture, memory, all things is there, virtual CPU, and cost definitely goes up with the hardware. So these are the instance type you can see. And also you can go to the different billing and cost management console here. And you can see your cost, whatever you have, purchased, or whatever services you are running. So this billing and payments, this purchasing cost, bills, payments, your credits, cost analysis, your purchase orders, everything you can see from here. Cost explorer, everything that what are the services there, that's there, like S3, like EC2. So what are the services, what is the estimate of that? See this cost and usage graph. So if you are using any service, you have to take a daily report, monthly report of that, and average monthly cost it is showing you. And cost and usage breakdown. Let's say these are the services that I was talking about: EC2, KMS, key management service, S3, VPC. So everything, the tax calculator, everything is there. So you just say, for example, you just type S3. So you are getting monthly report for the S3, and you can, like the VPC, let's say you are using the subnets, you are launching the instances into the subnets, and you want, now it is not showing anything because no bill has been made in this account, but you can get a detailed understanding and detailed breakup. So it is totally transparent, and you can get a solid understanding of your purchasing options and all your cost management. And you can download it as CSV file, comma separated value file. So you can download it, and also you can convert it to Excel sheet like that. And cost, see there is like free tier account that we use. So you can get more detailed report, like Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, 1G per month current usage, forecast. So they are also predicting that you can go up to 2 GB usage. So everything is there. How much hour is free? See, there are many queries from customers that how much hour is free. You can get detailed report like 1G per month for EC2, and for VPC 750 hours. Like you can get a detailed report that how much amount I can get it for free. So this is like, and also the saving plans, also your reservation. So everything, payment, billing preference, everything is cost, and everything is here. The inventory. So you can purchase a savings plan here. So say for example, you are just keeping that dedicated instance or a longer instance. So you can select like this 1 year and up to 3 year, that I have already told you, that you can dedicate an instance minimum for 1 year and maximum for 3 year. You can choose 1 year. So here it is costly because it is not free. So you have to pay and you have to purchase the plans according to your requirement very wisely. Okay, so these are the different options for purchasing and the savings plan. You can go to cost organization in cost category, and it will show you, it will analyze, and it will budget your cost according to your usage. So definitely remember one thing, that whatever service we use, if you do not terminate that service, the billing will continue. Say for example, I am launching an issue instance and I have stopped that instance. So it may seem that the billing will stop, but no, it will continue unless and until you terminate that instance. Even if you create an S3 bucket, you just delete the bucket and all the contents, otherwise the billing will continue. Your budgets and your planning, everything, every report you can see. Daily saving plans, monthly cost budget, there are many options. So you can just go through this. So just enter the budget amount that you have, and you will get an estimate that yes, I can run these services and this will be my billing. So this is all related to your cost saving and your billing calculator. So you can enter a email address, you can enter any email address, and you will get that monthly cost estimate in your mail. So here in the bills payments, you will get your bill that you have to pay, and these payments. So here definitely you will add the credits, that is your you can say the card information. And right now, according to the RBI guidelines and directive, the card information is not saved with the AWS. You have to enter every time. So the card details, that is not with them. So it is totally secure, you can say. So these are the options, different options that I've already explained with you. Billing preferences, so everything is there. So that is about the cost management or billing, you can say, for the AWS, and I have explored every option for the cost and billing preferences here. So this is how you can make a solid cost management for AWS, and you can minimize your cost. So I hope that you have got a good understanding of AWS cost management and billing. And that is all about the cost management right now. I'll come with some more topic later. And I thank everybody for attending and joining this special webinar on AWS cost optimization. And definitely I've seen that there are many options to leverage cost and to efficiently use the AWS management. So thanks for attending this webinar. And I will come with some new topic later. But for now, bye.